In the heart of Central Africa's dense rainforests, the Eastern Lowland Gorilla, the largest gorilla subspecies, reigns with quiet majesty. These plant-loving giants thrive on a diet of rainforest fruits, leaves, stems, and the occasional insect. They live in groups led by a dominant silverback, a male distinguished by striking silver fur along his back, overseeing a family of females and their young. Subscribe to Earth's Living Odyssey for more breathtaking content, and click the bell icon to stay updated on our latest explorations.